Friends, today we will discuss about the coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal which we are using today was found millions of years ago when gained ferns and swamps got buried under the layer of earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. See in this figure 3.10 a view of thermal power station. Now we will discuss about the leading producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa and France. And the coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jaharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand. This is about the petroleum. See, what do you mean by petroleum? Now first we will discuss about petroleum is derived from Latin word petra meaning rock, oleum meaning oil. So petroleum means rock, oil. See, petroleum. The petroleum that keeps your car running as well as the oil that keeps your cycle from squeaking both begin as a thick black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layer of rock and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal area. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, etc. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The chief petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, etc. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria. The leading producers in India are Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Now we will discuss about the natural gas. Do you know what do you mean by this? See, CNG. The full form of CNG, it is nothing but compressed natural gas, is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel as it causes less pollution than petroleum and diesel. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposit and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari Delta, Tripura and some areas offshore in Mumbai have a natural gas resources. Very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reserves of their own. The sharp increase in our consumption of fuel has led to their depletion at the alarming rate. The toxic pollutants released from burning these fuels are also a cause for concern. Unchecked burning of fossil fuel is like an unchecked dripping tap which we will eventually run dry. This has led to the tapping of various non-conventional sources of energy that are cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. Now we will discuss about the hydel power. See, do you know Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. See, rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from height. The falling water flowed through pipes inside the dam over turbine blade placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blade then turned the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. The water discharged after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. One-fourth of the world electricity is produced by hydel power. The leading producer of hydel power in the world are Norway, Brazil and China. Some important hydel power stations in India are Bakranagal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar and Damodar Valley project. See the figure 3.12 hydel power. See the bottom turbine, see generator and water reservoirs.